Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your story with link on Facebook. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, here go to Facebook post button and paste your website link. Now click on this friend button and select only me. Now here what you need to do, select only me. Now click on done. After that click on top right next button, again next, and share your post. After that, here you can see my post is share it. Now what you need to do, now click on this share button of the post. Here you can see bottom of the post, click on this share button. Now click on this share your story, click on this share to your story. Here you can see this is share it to my story with a link. Now zoom this and now click on share button, and here you can see my Facebook story, share it with my link. Now click on this, and now here you can see link is opening another tab. In this way you can add a link on your Facebook story.